The millionaire's paradox. What if everything you know about money is wrong? Picture this: a $50 million mansion in Beverly Hills, 3 Lamborghinis in the garage, and a lifestyle most people only dream about. Now, imagine the owner of all this luxury sitting alone in their vast empty home, feeling utterly unfulfilled. This isn't fiction. This is the reality for many of today's wealthy individuals. According to a recent study by Boston College, over 70% of wealthy individuals report feeling no happier than their middle-class counterparts. Even more surprisingly, many express deep anxiety about their wealth. Welcome to the wealth paradox, where having more doesn't always mean feeling better. Decoding complex world of personal finance. The journey through financial misconceptions. In America today, the statistics tell a compelling story. While the top 1% holds over 40% of the nation's wealth, nearly 65% of Americans consider themselves financially illiterate. But here's where it gets interesting. Even those with extensive financial knowledge often make poor money decisions. The 3 paradoxes. We're about to dive deep into 3 mind-bending paradoxes that shape our financial lives. The accumulation paradox. Why more money doesn't equal more happiness. The knowledge-action gap. Why knowing better doesn't always mean doing better. The freedom fallacy. How wealth can become a gilded cage. 3 mind-bending financial paradoxes. The accumulation paradox. Research from Princeton University revealed a fascinating truth. Emotional well-being rises with income, but only up to about $75,000 per year. Beyond that, additional income brings diminishing returns in life satisfaction. Consider the case of Tom Anderson, a Silicon Valley executive who sold his startup for $40 million. "I thought reaching this number would make me feel secure," he says. "Instead, I became more anxious about losing it all." The knowledge-action gap. Here's a startling fact. Financial literacy programs have shown minimal impact on actual behavior change. A study by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority found that while 80% of Americans rate themselves highly in financial knowledge, only 37% can pass a basic financial literacy test. The reason? Knowledge alone doesn't address the psychological barriers to sound financial decision-making. Emotional spending. Analysis paralysis, social pressure, and lifestyle inflation. The freedom fallacy. Meet Sarah Chen, a former Wall Street trader who accumulated $5 million by age 35. "I became a prisoner to my wealth," she reveals. "Every decision became weighted with financial implications. I couldn't quit my high-stress job because I was golden handcuffed to my lifestyle." Studies from the Journal of Financial Planning show that 64% of high-net-worth individuals feel constrained by their wealth, citing relationship complications, trust issues, increased responsibilities, complex financial obligations, real-world applications. Dr. Michael Roberts, a behavioral economist at Harvard Business School, explains, "The relationship between wealth and well-being isn't linear. It's more like a complex web of psychological and social factors." Key research findings show money amplifies existing personality traits. Wealth often increases social isolation. Financial freedom can paradoxically lead to decision paralysis. Redefining your relationship with wealth. Synthesizing the paradoxes. These 3 paradoxes, accumulation, knowledge-action gap, and the freedom fallacy, form a complex ecosystem in our financial lives. Understanding their interaction is crucial for making better money decisions. Action steps for viewers. Identify your true enough number. Create action triggers for financial decisions. Build a values-based wealth framework. Develop a healthy money mindset. The true meaning of wealth. Real wealth isn't just about numbers in a bank account. It's about having enough to meet your needs, maintaining control over your time, building meaningful relationships, contributing to causes you care about. Looking ahead. In our next episode, we'll explore the psychology of money, hidden wealth-building obstacles, advanced paradox navigation strategies. Remember, understanding these paradoxes isn't about avoiding wealth. It's about pursuing it wisely. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to continue this journey of financial discovery together. The real measure of wealth is how much you'd be worth if you lost all your money. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.